Hi friends, in today's tutorial we will see how to launch AWS EC2 instance on Windows environment. So let's start. So we are going to launch EC2 instance in Windows environment. So first thing is, what is an EC2 instance? So it's Elastic Compute Cloud. So which is provided by your AWS, and here EC2 is one of the important concept you need to learn to work with your AWS, which will provide readily available infrastructure for your projects, means to deploy your project. So let's start. So the prerequisite is you should have AWS free tier account. So, and I have logged into my AWS free tier account, and currently I'm in Mumbai region now. So go to services. So this, so here, if you're not at this, so go to home page. So by clicking AWS icon, you will go to home page. So if you look into this, so these are the different services provided by your AWS. So now I need EC2 services. So let's go to here. If you don't know where you can find the EC2, so you can able to find it in compute services. So if you don't know, just go to services, and in the search tab type EC2. So recently the look and feel UI got changed. Now click on EC2. Now you will be landed into your EC2 dashboard. So this is your EC2 dashboard, and here if you look into this, number of running instances is 0 for me, and key pairs is also 0, and volumes are also 0, and instances in all states are also 0, because once you have done with your testing or your practice, so it's better you can stop and terminate the instance. So it's a better practice. You should keep those instances in running mode, so you will get a surprise billing. So that's why once you have done your testing or practice, so please stop your instance and after that terminate the instance. Now I want to launch the instance. So how to launch the instance? So go to here and launch the instance. So now you will be landed into choose an Amazon mission image. So here your Amazon will provide all the images. So now you are going to create a virtual mission for your requirement. So according to your requirement, select the image and create your virtual mission. So before that, select the free type. Now, so here if you look into this, 17 images are available. According to your requirement, select the image. So if you want to go for Linux, go for Linux. In our last session, we discussed about Linux images. Now we'll go with, in this session, we'll go with Windows environment. So if you want to search, just type Windows. Here also you can scroll down, means here also you will able to see, but if you want to search, you can search Windows. See, these are the different images available in Windows environment. So select the image which is according to your requirement, or select the image whichever you want to create a virtual machine. So here, so these are the different images available for Windows environment. So around 8 images, AMIs, Amazon Machine images available. So now I want to go with this. So select that one. So before doing that, go for free tier only and select. Now you will be landed into choose an instance type. So we are going with free tier. So select the micro instance. Don't change this default one. So go with the default one. So if you look into this, so how many CPUs will be allocated for this virtual machine? So one CPU and 1 GB of memory, 1 gigabyte of memory, sorry. And so this is basic information. So I have chosen that image type. So now, so let's go to configure. So here, configure the instance details. So if you want to configure some details for your instance, so where you need to configure? So in the configuration tab. So here, how many images I'm going to, so how many instances I'm going to launch. So by default one, if you want to launch at a time 2, you can change it to 2. But as of now, I want to go with 1 only. And here network is default VPC and subnets also default. Here, if you want to select, yes, you can go for this. But these things we'll discuss in next sessions. So now, as of now, I'm going with default. And this is also one of the important thing, advanced details. So if you want to give some configuration at the time of your instance creation itself, means provisioning itself, so provide all those details in the advanced tab under user data. So these things also I will explain later. So now currently we are in configuration tab. So if you want to do some configurations, so in this tab you need to do, and after that add storage. So if you look into this, so this is add storage tab. So in this, so 30 gigabytes of memory is allocated to your instance. If you want to add more volumes, you can add. So what is volumes? So if you want to have extra memory for your image, so whatever the Amazon provided, default memory is not sufficient for you. And if you want to add extra memory, then go for volumes. So I will cover this as a separate topic. So just like a pen drive, so add it to your system and detach it from your system. So same way, you can add volumes to your virtual machine. So that is an extra memory I want to add. Then go with volumes. So those things we'll discuss later. So by default, you will get 30 GB of memory, not gigabytes, 30 GB of memory. Next is, so this is a storage related tab, and next is add tags. So I want to identify, uniquely identify my instance, virtual instance, means VM. So for that we need to add tags. So name, so Windows so this is my VM name, virtual machine name. Next, configure securities. So here I'm not going to change anything. This is also one of the important topic we will cover later. And here, if you look into this, so what type of traffic it will allow? So RDP traffic only it will allow, and the allowed port number is 3389. Remote desktop protocol only it will allow. So if you want to add some more traffic, so HTTP traffic I want to add, so you can add. If you want to add some more rules, so it will allow HTTP traffic only and with the port 80. But my application is, assume my application, Spring Boot application is running at, or my Tomcat application is running at 8080. So this port, this rule won't allow you. So for that you need to go for custom TCP. So here you can change a port. So from where? So my IP, see, from this IP only it will allow. Or else I can go anywhere, so anyone can access. Custom. So provide some security group. Anywhere means anyone can access with this port number. So these are the different rules you need to configure those. So all these rules will be stored at your security group. So here you will give some security group name, right? So in that security group, it will store. So those things we will discuss in detail next sessions. As of now, how to remove these rules? Just remove and now review and launch. So this is the data we have provided. So storage, so 30 GB of storage we have provided, tag names what we have provided, this is the one. Now launch. So now it is going to launch. So for launching, we need to have a key value pair. So what key will contain? A security key, like a password. It will contain a security key to launch your instance. So for that, I don't have any old key pair. So now I'm creating new key pair. Now download the key pair and launch the instance. First download the key pair and launch the instance. If you do this instance, instance is still provisioning. So still the instance is not up. So this is the instance name and this is the instance ID. So instance name. So we have provided in the tags, right? So that is a name. And the key pair is also same. So same name I have given. So this instance is attached with this key pair. See, this is a key pair. Now, the instance is now running now. Let me go to my downloads. So this is the key pair I have downloaded. Let me copy it here. Sorry. Now this one. So this is the one. So this is the key pair. Now. So now connect. So let me go to here. Still it's running. Actions. So we'll go to this. These are the different IAM rules and all those things. This also we'll discuss. So, and it's a Windows platform. Key value pair also they have given. Key value pair, everything they have given. And so this is about your data. So if you look into this, my instance is now in running state. So now I want to launch this instance. So for that we need to go for connect. So it is in disable mode. Why? Because we have not selected any instance. So which instance it needs to connect? So this one, select this one, and now again go to here. So connect. So now we are trying to connect to this one. Connect. So it will navigate to this page. Now select this one. Remote desktop protocol client. This is a desktop. So download this one. My computer. Go to downloads. So this is the one. So double click on that. Connect. So now it's asking the password. So how you will get the password? So close this ones. So where we have downloaded. So here this is a password. So to get the password, so go to here. So get the password. So it will ask you to browse that. So to decrypt that password. So browse that one. So location is not this one. Okay, I will select from there. So downloads. Yeah, AWS. This is the one. This is a password. So it is an encrypted format. Decrypt it. So this is a password. So this is a password. Please store it somewhere because only one time you can able to do it. Now Now again go to here, my computer. So in downloads it is there, right? So downloads. Now again connect. So administrator and password is this. Yes. So just like it's a remote desktop or virtual machine, it will. So it will act as a purely a Windows machine. See. So it's generated. So here you can do whatever you want, like your Windows machine. So you can able to connect to your Google. You can download everything you want to do, whatever you want to do, you can do it. Like our virtual machines. So this is also one virtual machine, so which is built on top of Windows environment. So if you look into this, these are the public IP. So if you want to access this over internet, so this is your public IP and this is your private IP. So these are the details. So this is a way you need to launch your Windows EC2 instance. So in our previous video, we saw how to launch Linux EC2 instance. So this is a way you need to launch Windows EC2 instance. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you. Thanks for watching.